Welcome to Assured Solutions YouTube channel. In this video we will see how we can install Evolus lamination module. So this is the side hopper. As you could see, it will contain your laminated cards over here. So you can install it simply by putting on the side of the printer. I will show you. So now we can install the lamination roll in the Evolus lamination module. So this is the clear lamination roll I have. So we can open and install it. Open the lamination module, click here. This way you can install the lamination clay roll inside the lamination module. So your roll is inserted successfully. You can close it. Now we have successfully installed the lamination roll inside our Evolus lamination module. So as you insert the lamination roll inside your lamination module, you could see it will show you the installed lamination module description. Like the one we install is a clear patch 1.0 MIL. This is a lamination film. We can laminate our card single side or double side. For that, we can double click on the Evolus lamination module. In the lamination panel, the option will show us lamination module over here. So if you want to laminate your card for a single side, you will choose the front side lamination. If you want to laminate your card from the both side, you will choose the front side plus back side lamination. So now first we will laminate our card from the single side only. So I will choose the option front side lamination only. Click and OK. Now we can laminate our already printed PVC card. For that there is a insertion space over here. From here you will insert your card for the lamination. Laminator will automatically pick your card. So I have this already printed card, so I will laminate this. Once you insert your card for the lamination, laminator will automatically adjust temperature, as you could see on the screen, adjusting temperature. Once it reaches its desired or required temperature level, so it will laminate your card and put outside the laminator. It has reached their desired temperature. Now you could see on the screen lamination in process. So your card is laminated once. You could see on the edge there is a over protection layer that is being implemented by the laminator on the card. Second, we have two more basic type of lamination roll with a 3D hologram. You could see this is generic holo continuous. So this is the output result for the generic holo. Second, we have generic holo registered. you could see the result of generic holo register. So these are two 3D hologram lamination roll available with us. You can same insert into your lamination module and laminate your card. We can also connect our Evolis Primacy PVC ID card printer with the lamination module, as you could see on the screen with the pictures. This way the newly printed PVC card will automatically inserted into the lamination module, and in a one slot card will be printed as well and will be laminated with the help of lamination module. Or you can use lamination module as a standalone product as well, as shown in the video. Thank you.